Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we're going to be checking our activities for a grade, any comments, and to make sure each activity has an image attached to it. Let's get started. Once you finish watching this video, you're going to go into Google Classroom into your art class. To go there, you'll find the gray A, and at the very bottom, once you open up your art class, you're going to click on Classwork. Here, you're going to see a list of the activities. You're going to see how to, or como, and then extra art, arte extra. If you are caught up with all of your activities and there is extra time, you can work on any of the extra art activities here. You can also go into the library Google Classroom and select the art choice board and work on any activity there. Up here on how to is information on how to be successful in the Google Classroom. Like you'll see the art expectations and a video link down below. Then above, you'll see all of our activities. You're going to have 9 activities. I have more because I'm the teacher, so I see every activity that's been done for all grades. You can start at the top of the list and work your way down, or you can start at the bottom of the list and work your way up. It's your choice, but you're going to check each activity for a grade, any comments, and that each activity has an image attached to it. Let me show you how we're going to do that. When you select on the activity, you can see your grade all the way here down below at the bottom. And this one says I have a 0. Let's check out the private comment here. Scroll up. This says that I'm missing my work. Well, this activity, how to submit your work, was all about teaching students how to do just that. Take a picture and add it as an attachment. And the objective was to draw your favorite something, like your favorite thing you like to draw for fun. Some students drew flowers, some drew animals, some drew their family. I had a student draw a rainbow. It was really your choice on what you like to draw. And I have my picture over here because I remember doing this activity. I have it over here. My favorite something to draw. Let's see, I have my journal here with me. Let's see, it was, yeah, I remember doing this project. I did it several times when I was practicing. It was your favorite doodle, your favorite something to draw. My favorite something to doodle is a cloud and sunshine. I remember this activity. I need to just take a picture of it and turn it in because I already did this. So I click down here and I go to add attachment. I'm going to use the camera and let's see here. I just lift this up. Click. I like that. It shows the whole paper. It's got my name, date, title, reflection, and the drawing. So I'm going to click Use Photo. Let's let it load. See that red box? We need to make sure every activity has a red box up here. That's our job today. Todas actividades necesito rojo cuadrado aquí. There it is. Now I need to click Resubmit, tocan aquí, and turn that in. Yes, we got one done. Let's check the others. Intro to line. I see I got 110. Check it out. I said, what does it say here? It says you do not need to write this much. Review your grade number of sentences. Extra review gets extra points. What? Extra? Oh, yeah, I added extra sentences when I was doing this in my review, and that gave me extra points. That's awesome. Yeah, extra drawing, extra review, it gets you extra points. That's awesome. Okay, let's check our next activity. Draw along. This was like our first more challenging activity. It says add color next time. Oh, I got an 85. That's probably because in the video I talked about adding more details and coming up with your own details on top of the drawing, and coloring it in would count as that, or like drawing people or animals, and some students did that, but I didn't do that in my drawing, so I didn't get the full points. If I want to go back and take out my drawing, see, I have it right here. Yeah. If I want to take out my drawing and add more to the reflection and add more to the drawing itself, yeah, like I'm missing a bunch of stuff here. Now's the time to go back and add that in and like draw a little bit more, color a little bit more. If you want to redraw it, you can click on the stuff. See, I could click on the video, the form, and watch the video and like redo it to get more points if I wanted. An 85 is okay, but I could go back and get more points if I wanted to. Let's check out the next one. Little cloud. I remember. Yep, I got this. Look at that. Super job, extra drawing gets extra points. So I added extra awesomeness. I got extra points. That's awesome. It says 110 over here. Let's see. Line. Look at that. It says a 95. I got my red squares here. I have extra. That's nice. And it says add the date next week. I missed a piece of information, so I missed a couple points. All right. Good to know. Let's see what's next. Circle with spheres. And adding the date's pretty easy. I could go back and just write the date on it pretty quickly and resubmit that if I wanted those 5 points. Let's see, this one's 100. No, it's out of 100 points. Down here is where it says the grade. 30 out of 100. What? Why a 30? There's no picture here. No wonder. This is circles into spheres. I have that activity here. I have the drawing with me, guys. Let me find it. Ah, here it is. I have the drawing. I just need to click down here, add attachment, and take a photo. And I want to take a moment to talk to you about when your picture doesn't load. So sometimes when you pick your picture and you take it, you get a red box down here, and you don't get the red square up here. When that happens, what you're going to do is click the resubmit button, mark it as done. Then you're going to unsubmit and then try, okay? Last 2 weeks, it started with 1 or 2 people, and I messaged them and they got it, no problem. But then all of a sudden, we've had more and more people not be able to get their pictures to load. Let's try that. Oh, that doesn't work. I need to retake that. Retake down here. Yeah, I like that. That's nicer. Okay, we're going to use the photo. Wait for it to load. Yeah, that red box needs to be up here. Todas actividades. Necesito en misa rojo cuadrado aquí. If you get rojo down here, you need to retake it. Another way to make it work is to close Google Classroom and reopen Google Classroom. That's going to help it work as well. Okay, so I got that. We're good. Resubmit it. All right, let's check our next activity. Remember, you're just going to have 9. I have more because I'm the teacher. I have like all of them. Look at that. 99. Good job. I like that. Great. 99 out of 100. Yes. All right, let's go to my name. This one, 100. Oh, I remember this one. I was missing my work, and then I added the picture. So now it's 100. So I got my grade. Already checked it. Let's see this one. This one, oh yeah, there's a, look guys, I had missed my project and then I turned in the picture and it was graded and it's 105. Even if I miss a project and it's late and I turn it back in or I turn something in and it like, it's awesome. Why was it so awesome? Why did I get 105? Let's see. I must have done something really cool to get extra points. Oh, I see it. I've got my name, title, and date. I've got all my reflection, and then I have this big drawing, and then I have another drawing over here. That's an extra drawing. If you do something and you mess up at first, and then you do it again, and it's better, and you take a picture of both, and you show me that improvement, you're going to get more points. Yeah, show that improvement, show that growth. Don't just show me the one that you got right. Show me the one you got wrong too, so I can give you extra points for trying extra hard to make it right and to like figure it out. Of course I want to give you extra points for trying really hard. Yeah. Okay. That was exciting. Extra points. All right, let's check the next one. Art. Again, 110 extra points. What? Why am I getting extra points? Am I doing extra work? Am I trying really hard? And let's see. Oh, I remember this one. I did a little kid version and I did a big kid version of it. Like I did exactly what the teacher did, and then I did it again and added like my own fun flair to it. Yeah, I remember this one. So I had extra drawing, extra points, guys. Of course I'm going to get extra points for doing extra work. Here's pumpkin, 100, excellent. I love seeing that grade. Remember, it's down here. You can click up to check for that red square and any comments right here. Last activity. Ooh, nice. Oh, so I was missing my work, and then I did an awesome job by drawing extra gets me extra points. Yeah, and in the picture, you'd see extra drawings. That's awesome. Give me extra points. Yes. All right, so I've checked all of these activities, and then this is what you're watching right now, that link to this. So once you're done and everything has a picture, I can go all the way down here and I can click on any of these and explore. I could go to the library Google Classroom and there's an art choice board. You could go do any of those art activities, anything art related. Now that I'm done, all art class, I could just do extra art. I'm caught up. Yay! We're caught up! So again, guys, our cue do review. So what we're doing is we will check Google Classroom for grades, comments. I will make sure each activity has an image attached to it because we want to get all of our credit for our hard work. So what you're going to do is all that stuff I just talked about, going through activities, clicking each activity, whether you start at the bottom and work your way down or start from the bottom and work your way up, it's your choice. And you're going to make sure each activity has an image. After you're done with that, you can check out your extra art. That's going to be your like extra reflection review time is going to be making sure it's all there, making sure the comments are checked, and getting that extra art time. That was a lot of information. If you have any questions and I'm around, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, please message me and let me know if you have any questions. All activities need an image attached to it, so I can give you a grade for all of your hard work. Till next time, class, keep being creative.